Hello, my name is Leslie Williams, and today I am going to talk about my persuasion speech for communications class, and I am going to try to persuade. My topic is homework, an effective teaching tool. The general purpose is to persuade, and it's going to persuade the audience, you, that homework is an effective teaching tool. Homework is a great teaching method to the extent that it repeats classroom instruction, it supports independent learning and time management skills, and allows for the adaptation of class material. Just picture yourself in a situation where a student leaves a classroom, it would never remember the message discussed until they came back the next day. Without homework, this scenario would be a normality, and the retention of knowledge would be critically damaged and affect progress in a negative way. Homework is a successful method as it aids in maintaining classroom work, it promotes independent learning and coordination of time management skills, and allows adjusting the educational content individually. Whether you are a student, a parent, or an educator, knowing the value of homework is essential to realizing the best learning experiences and achieving academic progress and success. This lesson is going to focus on the efficiency of homework as a teaching aid. With being an educator, I have noticed how neatly framed homework assignments can play a valuable role in students' learning and development. Specifically, we will dive into the mechanism of how homework strengthens what has been taught in the class, encourages self-directed learning and time management, and offers individual learning content. The homework has a primary function of modifying school content and increasing academic progress. With this in mind, homework's effectiveness consolidates the skills of becoming more self-educated by determining the time spent for each day. So this comes to my first point. Homework supplements classroom teaching. In a research article in the Journal of Education Science by Moore and Ranu in 2024, it is found that students who complete all their homework assignments regularly are better at remembering what they have learned in class. Also, research published in the Journal of Behavioral Sciences, Ford, in 2024, has shown that homework is one of the best educational aids involving the ingredients of discipline and work ethics in providing one's motivation to study. Researchers Wiggins and Vanderhoff in 2021 proves this claim out in a research directed to first-year group students doing calculus in 2026, whereby doing homework projects, they reinforce their understanding and gain the mastery over the project. Most importantly, homework provides the students a base point for reinforcement of classroom instruction, as well as serves in helping the students with independent time management skills, where it is impossible and indispensable for academic as well as personal success. Secondly, that comes to my second point. Homework builds professional foundations of self-reliance and promptness on time management. A study aimed at establishing the impact of homework performance by VITES in 2024 demonstrated that frequent home assignments promoted better study habits, enhance time management skills, and influence independent problem solving in students. These competencies are of great help to students in academic studies and settings in their professional lives. Candidates with skills in working independently, time management skills, and self-directed learning and development attract the most attention of employers. The paper published in the Journal of SAGE Open by Shiragi and Ramini 2024 concluded that tasks must be done carefully and with purpose. It can help students in independent study and in the attitude to study and have some time management skills. Besides, in another study carried out in a Chinese vocational college by Han and Hamish in 2024, it was discovered that homework is discovered and capable of shaping students' attitudes towards learning because they start taking responsibility for their studies they eventually own to their own academic success and progress. Additionally, homework proves to be extremely useful not only for solidifying the classroom instruction and strengthening the ability to learn independently, but it goes further to make the teaching process easier, so much that the content can be adapted to the personal needs of the student, thereby providing a learning experience that is personalized and effective. This comes to my third point. Homework aims at personalizing educational content. Within the framework of their study by Rodriguez-Martinez in 2023, published in the British Journal of Educational Technology, discovered that assigning targeted homework tasks, educators can reinforce students in areas where they need additional practice or challenge advanced learners with more complex problems. As shown in a research done by Mahales in 2020, homework can be a strong instrument that allows a teacher to customize the learning environment for students, focusing on their strengths and weaknesses. Having studied the positive impact of homework as the students' learning, we have realized that homework helps to reinforce the classroom instruction, develop independent work habits and time management skills, and allows students to work at their own pace and develop their own individual learning paths. To conclude, the utilization of homework as a teaching tool in educational reinforces classroom instruction. It promotes competence to learn independently, coupled with the skill of time management, and it helps in customization of teaching content. In additional, homework tasks enable students to obtain critical skills, time management, problem solving, and self-directed learning that are very vital for academic and professional careers. As a teacher, a parent, and a student, one must recognize the importance of homework as it is an aid to teaching and open the way for further growth and learning. Thank you for listening, and I hope that this helps in persuading you that homework is a great teaching tool.